What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, guys. Our target was met perfectly for Shiba. We're gonna do a quick analysis, last video of the day, and then I'm gonna go to the gym and work on my gains. So we're sitting at 0.00049, up 15% on the day, just exploding every day for Shiba. We're sitting at a market cap of 19.05 billion, 24-hour volume 10.7 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. It's my favorite app for investing. All right, guys, so we have our ascending triangle. The target was met absolutely perfectly. So that was a juicy trade opportunity for Shiba of 15%. Now we pushed right through the 1.618 here at 0.045. I'm not going to say all these zeros, guys, because it's just a bit crazy here. So if we do see some pullback here, do target that as a level of support. What Shiba does is it explodes and then it sells off and it comes back down to the EMAs. So if we do lose this level of support, watch this previous swing high and then keep an eye on this neckline here, coming in at about 0.0042 for Shiba. We are starting to get a little bit overextended from the EMAs. So if we do correct, watch these levels of support. If we look at Shiba here on the daily, you can see here on the daily, we've absolutely exploded. We're getting quite overextended from the 20 EMA. So if we do push all the way up to the 2 extension, I would expect a bit of correction here, a bit of consolidation. You see here we exploded, we corrected, and we consolidated. So I do think that's likely to come soon for Shiba. We may go all the way up to the 2 extension first, maybe even the 2.272, but you can see here on the daily, we're extremely overbought. We're sitting about 84. We came up to about 94 on the daily before we had our correction here. So if we head up to these price targets, that's when you're going to see us really overbought here on the daily, and we will see a correction. All right, guys, perfectly healthy. You want to see that. Shiba just absolutely explodes, and when a coin explodes like that, it's going to correct hard too as well. There's a bearish divergence here on the hourly. You can see here we created a higher high, we created a lower high on the RSI, signifying the bulls are losing strength here. So keep a close eye on these two levels of support, 0.045 and 0.042 for Shiba. Future price targets here, we have the 2 at 0.0052 and the 2.272 up at 0.0057 for our friend Shiba Inu. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. And you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, you can check out crypto.com. Smash the like button. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next one. Peace. Much love.